This film is a tough one for Rob. Emotions are running wild, tempers are flaring up. What kind of journey does he go on?
Yeah, well, Ron goes on quite a big journey in this one. There's a lot going on in his head. He's kind of jealous and paranoid, and he's away from his family, and you don't see a much darker side to him. So it's fun.
Was it fun to explore that kind of darker side of his character?
Yeah, it really was. It's not really, we don't really see Ron kind of get this kind of aggressive, and yeah, it was really a nice change.
And was it good to finally just have a bit of a grapple with Daniel Radcliffe?
But yeah, that's always quite fun. But yeah, it was nice to do something kind of completely new.
Was it peculiar doing so much stuff on location? Did you miss Hogwarts? Because Hogwarts doesn't feature in the film at all.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. I think that really changes the feeling of the film. You never see it at school before, and we're kind of adults now. And yeah, I do miss like the Great Hall and stuff. And in part 2, we kind of see these sets get kind of destroyed and stuff. It's kind of sad, but it's good.
It is sad. I imagine a Great Hall kind of feels like home, really.
It does. Yeah, we've kind of grown up with these sets. We spent kind of a lot of time in the studios. I'm gonna miss Watford, definitely.
I've got a question from a Twitter user here. Teller1985 says, if you could play any other Weasley, who would you choose?
Probably Percy. One of the twins.
You maybe play both the twins.
Yeah, both.
Play both twins. Finally, have you got a message for the fans at all, Rupert?
Yeah, I just really hope they enjoy the film. This is kind of the last 2 now. It's nearly over, so just hope they kind of enjoy it.
Pleasure talking to you. Enjoy the evening.